Hey everyone, Uncle Jesse here. That title is correct. Etsy completely shut down Andrew and I's ResinLapse shop. And today I want to tell you just a little bit of backstory about that and what's the current status of that project. So 2 weeks ago, Etsy decided to up and shut down our shop without any notice, without any warning. Nothing. We found out by people trying to buy ResinLapse and letting us know that they couldn't access our shop and that the listing wasn't showing up. And when we tried to log into our Etsy account to see what was going on, we were prompted with this message, which was our account was basically not accessible. So we spent the next handful of what seemed like hours trying to get a hold of Etsy to figure out what the heck was going on. The person at the support end of things wasn't entirely clear what was going on or why our shop had been shut down. They said, hey, since it was Friday evening, someone was going to be able to really take a look at it until Monday and they'd get back to us. Well, fast forward to Tuesday and we still hadn't heard anything from them. So Andrew was able to get back on the line with Etsy to find out some more information, which was basically nothing. They prompted us to please stop calling them and that our site had violated some policy. They wouldn't let us know what policy we had violated. As far as we could tell, nothing was illegal. Everything was handmade. We've made all of the cables ourselves. There was nothing copyrighted that we were infringing on. We weren't selling any sort of firearms or anything crazy like that. And everything seemed to be in alignment with what their policy stated. So we're still entirely unclear on what might have caused that violation for them to shut down our shop. Up until the point where our shop had been shut down, we had shipped out well over, I think about 180 different orders out to everybody. If you haven't already received your ResinLapse or received a tracking notification from Etsy, I would reach out directly to them about a refund of the order. We have zero way of accessing any of our past orders or who ordered or what's the outstanding status of orders for anybody that's purchased this. With all that said, we ended up setting up a new shop over at Big Cartel, which will allow us to continue to sell ResinLapses out to everyone. We have a ton of these ready to be shipped out, so if you're interested in picking up a ResinLapse cable for your Resin 3D printers, you'll find links down below where you can actually buy one of those and receive them. We're really excited to have a new storefront up and running and making this available again to everyone out there. And again, thank you to everybody for all of your support for this project. Andrew and I have been crazy excited to see how just enthusiastic everyone's been about this project and jumping on board and supporting us here with our ResinLapse kit here for your Resin 3D printers. Again, if you're interested in links for more information are down below. All of these things here were printed with the different ResinLapse kits. I'm sure I'll have ResinLapse time lapses up here as I'm chatting with you all, but I just want to make this really quick video to let you know that the new shop is open. And again, that trouble that we ran into with Etsy, and we still to this day have zero idea what the heck went wrong with Etsy. Also, thank you to a number of different companies out there that had reached out as soon as they found out that we were having issues with selling our ResinLapse cables and offered their sites as services where we could list our cables. We might look at that in the future, but for now, we're gonna be sticking with our own little shop and see how that goes. Hey, thanks again for watching, everyone, and your continued support is amazing. Make sure to share your ResinLapse time lapses with us as well. Hey, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.